Evening draped the city in navy, but inside Elise's apartment, peace reigned. The soft glow of a single lamp illuminated her small table, a glass of wine, and a well-loved book. Elise moved with quiet grace, her smile hinting at a secret contentment. She found comfort in the familiar hush, the hum of the fridge, and the gentle embrace of her oversized sweater. Tonight was hers alone, a deliberate act of self-care. Lighting a single candle, she watched its flame dance, making the room feel alive. Pouring wine, she savored its aroma, grounding herself in the present. This was her sanctuary, where the world's noise faded away. Settling into her favorite chair, she paused, simply observing the quiet beauty of her life. The city lights below twinkled, distant and unintrusive. In this solitude, Elise felt not lonely but whole, her heart full with a quiet, steady completeness. Later, hunger led Elise to her kitchen, where she opened her laptop and browsed vibrant images of food. She wasn't just looking for a recipe, she was searching for inspiration. A local cooking class on handmade pasta caught her eye, its description promising warmth and creativity. A spark of happiness flickered within her, the idea of stepping into something new both thrilling and comforting. She imagined flour on her hands, laughter in the air, and the joy of making something from scratch. With a gentle determination, she enrolled. The confirmation email felt like a promise to herself, a small, transformative step. The evening, once quiet, now hummed with anticipation for what was to come. In the days before the class, Elise's anticipation grew. She found herself daydreaming, at work, on walks, in the grocery store, lingering over fresh produce. Buying basil for her windowsill, she let her senses guide her, deepening her connection to the experience ahead. These small acts became part of her journey, each one a celebration of her own curiosity. Choosing her outfit the night of the class, she felt calm and ready. This wasn't about proving anything, it was about learning, creating, and connecting. Her reflection showed bright, eager eyes and a soft, expectant smile. The gentle curiosity that brought her here was now a quiet strength. Elise was ready to embrace her new adventure with an open heart. Elise stepped into the cool evening, leaving her quiet apartment behind. The city buzzed, but her focus was on the warmly lit cooking school ahead. Inside, she was greeted by a wave of warmth and the hum of conversation. The burgundy walls and soft lighting created a cozy, inviting space. Strangers mingled, united by curiosity and the promise of shared creation. Elise's initial solitude melted away, replaced by a sense of belonging. Here she was part of something larger, a community built on connection and creativity. The transition from her solitary haven to this communal hearth felt perfect. The instructor's warm welcome set the tone as Elise donned her apron, stepping into her new role as participant. At her workstation, the simple tools, flour, eggs, a wooden board, felt full of possibility. Following the instructor's guidance, Elise measured, cracked, and mixed, finding a meditative rhythm in the process. Her self-consciousness faded, replaced by deep focus and satisfaction as the dough transformed under her hands. Around her, others were equally absorbed, their faces reflecting quiet joy. A neighbor's encouraging smile reminded her of their shared journey. Empowerment, Elise realized, was found in these small, focused moments. It was the quiet confidence of trying something new and discovering her own capability. The burgundy room became a sanctuary for growth, her heart shining with newfound joy. Next came the sauce. Cherry tomatoes, basil, and garlic laid out before her. Elise mirrored the instructor's chopping technique, her movements growing confident and rhythmic. The scent of fresh ingredients filled the air, and time seemed to slow as she entered a state of flow. Her mind quieted, worries replaced by the simple act of creating. The instructor's praise for her steady hand brought a sunbeam of pride. Elise didn't seek validation, but the acknowledgement felt wonderful. She added her ingredients to the pan, the sizzle a triumphant fanfare. The aromas deepened, promising something delicious. In that moment, she felt accomplishment and self-expression. This sauce was hers, a reflection of her care and new confidence. The final moment arrived, fresh pasta tossed with her vibrant sauce. Elise gazed at her plate, a quiet triumph swelling within her. The meal was more than food. It was the story of her journey from solitude to joyful creation. Around the communal table, laughter and conversation flowed. Sharing food broke down barriers, turning strangers into a temporary family. Each bite was a taste of her own potential, flavored by effort and encouragement. As the meal ended, a deep joy settled over Elise. She had found connection, skill, and self-discovery. She left with a full heart and a recipe for more than just pasta. Elise's journey home felt transformed, the city's navy cloak now serene, her heart aglow. She realized solitude and connection were both essential, each enriching her life in different ways. The true lesson, passion and light reside within, waiting to be discovered. It starts with a spark, curiosity, courage, a simple yes to something new. Empowerment is a gentle process built with each new experience and connection. Elise's story reminds us, self-discovery is a continuous, delicious dance. Nourish your soul as you would a lovingly prepared meal. What quiet desire is your heart whispering? Embrace it. Your story is worth celebrating. Share your journey with us at stories@latedesires.com.